Hi friends, and welcome with us today. We are going to continue again working page 253, lesson 6.4. We are not going to do the front again. We're going to go ahead and flip over to do the back. So page 254, and you'll see it's going to give us our numbers to go ahead and start. And today is going to be an extension of yesterday, so we're going to build on. Yesterday they gave us the cubes and the numbers, and they told me how to identify those in building the how many tens and how many ones. Today they're giving me a number, and I'm going to have to identify the tens and ones in that number, and then I need to draw the image. So here's how I like to do this, friends. Here's my number. I have the number 11. You're going to split the houses. It's a little hard to see there. And on the beginning we have the tens, and in the back we have the ones. Remembering the ones place value always has to be my last number. So there, maybe it's a little easier to see. So you now have 11. So that means I have one group of 10 and I have one 1. So right here we drew our 10 rod, which is my stick, and I like to make them a little larger so that they look like a small rectangle. And it's really in place of my 10 rod model, which is right here. So that would stand for 10 of the single squares. And then we would have 1 left over using our model. So 10 and 1, which is going to be your dot. So when you split your house, you saw that you now had 1 10 and 1 1 left over, and that made your total of 11. All right, friends, let's do a couple more together. Let's continue splitting. So right here, my number's 12. Let me split my house. I have my 10s and my 1s. So I again see that I have one group of 10. One group of 10. So I make my 1 10 rod. And I have 2 1s. So I'm going to make 2 single dots. Oops. And I have my number 2. So I have 1 10 and 2 leftover 1s, which made my number 12. Okay, friends? All right, let's do 2 more. Splitting my house, cutting my numbers in half. My 10s place value and my 1s place value. And I see again in my 10s house, I have 1. So I would draw 1 10 rod. And in my 1s place value, I have the number 3. So I would draw 3. So I have 1 10 with 3 leftover 1s when I cut the number up. All right, I want you to try number 14 for me. Can you cut this in half? Cut your house. Perfect. 10s and 1s. Yes, awesome. You have 1 10 rod and 4 remaining 1s. So the number 14 is built up of one group of 10 with 4 1s left over. Perfect job, friends. Okay, so you're going to finish right here with page 255. And then don't forget the back, page 256. So you're going to do questions 5 through 13. Make sure you do your very best work. Don't forget your 10, the tally tall 10 rod means one group of 10, and all the circles are leftover 1s. And you're going to split your houses and draw your models for us. Good luck, my friends.